Welcome to everyone. Photoshop basic tutorial. Today discuss about the marquee tool. The left side you can see the square size, that is called marquee tool. There are different type of marquee tool: rectangle marquee tool, ellipse marquee tool, single row marquee tool, single column marquee tool, and there are different type of option bar. So discuss about, and now select rectangle marquee tool and make a Indian flag. You can option select add to selection creating. Let's start. You can see step by step with create a stick very carefully. Now selection is complete. Now go to move tool and select the color. Now this is a green color. Okay, then go to brush tool and the selection is here. And now go to foreground color, select the green and zoom in. Now go to foreground color again. As you select, before I create this, come the chakra, zoom and the zoom out. So simple. Select the marquee tool and elliptical marquee tool. Now select add to selection and create a ellipse according to you and add the wings. You can see as you wish, and mouth, and add to selection. Then done. Mouse and create the eyes, one eyes, two eyes. এখন ক্রিয়েট করব নাক and go to brush tool and go to layer and select, then brush and brush zoom out and create the eyes and done. Now to ellipse for create a collar. And now go to foreground color, select the color as you wish, go to brush tool and zoom in the brush and paint the brush.